recent survey on preferences of presidential candidates for 2028. Frontrunner ngayon si VP Sara. Ano ang iyong comment doon sa mga nagsasabi na itong impeachment case is meant to stop her from being president of this country?
Okay. I will not answer anything political, Kuya Boy, because I took an oath.
Okay.
Political neutrality. But I will answer anything that's obvious. Obvious na, kasi ang penalty, perpetual disqualification. So, kung ikaw ay isang sa nag-file, at ikaw isang tumutulak dito, obvious na ayaw mo siya patakbuhin sa 2028. But it would be unfair to say that that's the only reason. Kasi there are people who there are groups in the country na walang pakialam kung sino nakaupo, will always hold you accountable. So, meron din ganun. So, ang hirap i-generalize.
Fast forward tayo, end of impeachment. As a senator judge, you make your judgment. Sigurado kang may sektor na magsasabing it's a travesty, it's a mockery of justice. Either way, di ba? You're aware of this.
Yeah.
Pero sa iyong estimation, Alan, gaano kalaki ang tiwala ng taong bayan sa Senado as an impeachment court?
Siguro po yun ang lamang namin mga third at fourth term na may konting wisdom na dulot both ng experience and yung personal journey namin. Of course, how God dealt with us during that time. Kasi Kuya Boy, ganyan na ganyan nung kay President Erap, he was very popular. Kay President GMA, 50-50 nung una, tapos naging unpopular. Nung nag-Blue Ribbon Committee kami kay Vice President Binay, the first month, etc., grabe popularity niya, kami sinisisi. But later on na lang, it's history that will judge. So, we have to take the hit kung ano man ang feeling at kung mahahati man ang bansa. But if you do the right thing, the judgment will come much later.
You've been very visible as a Christian leader, grounded on morals and values. How will this play into your judgment as a judge?
I'm happy you said that, Kuya Boy, kasi marami din nag-misinterpret nung isang hearing, ICC hearing, nung sinabi ko, di ba, na I am an ambassador of Christ. Let me tell you that context. That context is simple. All of us, whether Catholics, evangelical, whether conservative, whether liberal sa mga churches natin, basta Christian tayo, yun ang nakalagay sa Bible, you're an ambassador. Galing ako sa DFA naging Secretary of Foreign Affairs ako. Doon ko natutunan na, pag ikaw ambassador, wala kang say, wala kang opinion. Kung ano opinion ng bansa mo, yun. Okay, having said that, Kuya Boy, as a Christian, you're given principles. Diba? Principles about justice, about integrity. If you ask me how does it come to play, simple lang. Yung judgment ko shouldn't be done on politics. It should be on biblical principles. So is that pakikialam ng religion? Hindi. Kasi wala namang pare, wala namang pastor, wala namang nagsasabi sa akin, vote yes or no, or ganito, or ganyan. It's just basic principles of truth, integrity, justice, accountability. Diba?
Okay. Sa nagdaang 2025 elections, nakita ng kaumbayan at ng mga politiko kung gaano kalaki pa rin ang influence ni former President Duterte. Ang mga sinuportahan niyang mga kandidato ay napakarami ang nanalo. Some would say, Alan, that political pragmatism dictates that some senators, not all, may tiptoe around the vice president, lalo na yung may mga plano. Pero the short question there is, marami ba, meron bang mga senador na takot sa mga Duterte?
What I can say is, Kuya Boy, I think it will be hypocrisy and parang imposible naman kung sasabihin natin, hindi nag-factor in
walang
lahat
political
yan.
consideration.
Whether ikaw ay nasa media, whether ikaw nasa politika, whether ikaw nasa business. By the way, Kuya Boy, in the middle of the campaign, syempre, binabantayan ko yung campaign ng ate ko. Ako naman ang mas political in terms of elections, di ba? May kausap ako na sinabi nga niya na, I didn't see the study, but sinabi niya, like any other president, President Duterte retired as one of the highest, but like any other president, over time naman, yung core support mo na doon, pero no. Pero yung talaga, nung inaresto, hindi lang talaga umano yung support, pati yung emosyon. So like ako, nakipagkwentuhan ako sa staff ko, may isang staff na sinabi niya sa akin, "Sir ha, alam mo naman ako, sumama ako sa iyo. Ito ng 2023. Sir, hindi naman ako Duterte. Pero sir, nung nahuli, sir, I don't know if he said naiyak o naluha siya. So I mean, Kuya Boy, don't tell me to anyone, no? So for example, babalik ta rin ko naman, di ba? Doon ba kila Senator Risa, kila Mayor ngayon Lenny, former Vice President Lenny, doon ba kila Senator Kiko and the rest? Hindi ba factor ngayon na may resurgence din sila, na maganda yung suporta nila this last election, na marami nang tumitira kay Duterte? So politics goes both ways, di ba?
Alright. Huling katanungan. Senator Bongo was quoted to have said na, I know you know the context. Di naman makakain itong impeachment trial na ito. Pero I think the question is, gaano ba kahalaga ang impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa taong bayan?
Any issue of accountability is important, but how we handle it is also important. So, the context for me, di na just to post kasi yung extreme. To be fair kila Senator Coco, never naman niya sinabing hindi importante yung ibang bills. And to be fair kay Bongo, ang tingin ko ang context naman nila at ni Senator Robin, kasi nakita nila yung agenda for the next two days. Diba? So, when the issue is emotionally charged, we will pick what they say. That's why sa amin, kailangan mag-ingat din. Ako madalas ako pagalitan nila ani kasi parang, ba't mo pa sinabi yun? But Kuya Boy, you cannot also, hindi ka rin pwedeng, hindi naman plastic, pero hindi naman pwedeng yung bawat isang lumabas sa bibig mo, iisipin mo twice, 3 times, di ba? Hindi naman to shooting na eto script, huwag ka na mag-adlib So, we also have to excuse each other ng konti. So, I disagree with many senators, but I found it enriching to be able to listen to them and to be able to go up and then pwede bang ganito, pwedeng hindi. Ngayon, history na lang mag-judge kung tama yung collective decision namin.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.